And we're back. Portlock Beach is right on that side. Now we just hopped across the bridge right over here and we parked over at the boat landing actually of Maunalua and had to walk over. That little parking lot there does fill up quite frequently. So chances are if you're in a four-wheeled vehicle, you're gonna be parking on the boat ramp side and then walk that little path over along the road. So who's this beach for, right? We already talked about how Portlock is not really the best like sandy beach to go to if you want a relaxing day laying on the sand. If you want to bring a board or you just want to check it out, it's a good spot for that. So this side, I would honestly say if you need to stop and use the restroom or you want to use the green space, it's good. Other than that, this is not a place that you want to get in the water. The only sandy stretch, this is it. You're looking at it. This is the only sandy stretch of the beach. Other than that, it's even rockier than Portlock side is going to be, and many locals are going to be out here fishing, so obviously it's not great to get in the water because you're going to be in their lines and they're not going to be happy with you. One more thing I wanted to mention about this particular beach, it does tend to be a spot where people without homes, homeless people, will congregate. They're either staying here or maybe they're just here for the day. Now personally, it doesn't bother me. I mean, they always are just doing their thing. They're not out here to harm anyone or mess with anyone. But I know for some people it may make them feel uncomfortable or just like maybe this isn't the best beach for them. So I don't want to use that as a way to deter you from coming here. But if that's something that's just maybe not going to jive with you when you get out here, just go to another beach because chances are you are going to run into a little bit of a homeless population on this particular stretch of beach. So as I mentioned before, this really isn't the best beach to be like on the beach or in the water, but what it is really nice for is to stop and grab a bite to eat. There's a lot of great places to eat just across the road. So if you guys want to go get some takeout, come over here, enjoy that. It is a beautiful view and it's a great place to stop. Super convenient. And I'm going to give you guys a little bonus. Miley's Thai Baristo right across the way. Very good Thai food. And if you're gonna go there, get the yellow curry. I like to put chicken in it and medium. And the medium is still hot. So if you don't handle spice, do not get the hot because you are going to kill yourself. If you guys are looking to grab a bite, head over here, enjoy. That's really what this beach is gonna be best for. Okay guys, and with that, that is gonna be it from the beaches near Hawaii Kai. Once again, my name is Logan. Thank you for watching another GoGo Rental Discover. Until next time, aloha!